Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. In this video we're going to talk about how to remove ads from Instagram. And there are two ways to do this. But first let's hit that subscribe and like button, it really helps me out. So let's hop onto Instagram. And all we need to do now is look for an ad. Also, as you can see here, this isn't sponsored, so this is an ad. So what we can do is click on the three dots here. And you can click on hide ad. And now you can choose between all these options. And you can, for example, click on I see it too often. And then I get the message, you won't see this ad again. But it doesn't help me without seeing other ads because I will still see them. So what I can do now is, as you can see here, there's a new ad. What I can do now is click on the Instagram logo over here. And you can see that it's stated following and favorites. If I click on following, I only see the posts from people I follow, which means that I don't see any ads in this. So these are two ways to hide ads in your Instagram feeds. I hope this helps. Thank you.